majority of people who participate in trials are people of white descent. And we are sitting here, a group of 4 white people, and we want to make sure also that we talk about the importance of all people. So we've talked about the importance of all subgroups, all subtypes, because we do have these individuals, but we need to make sure what Carrie just said. If it's somebody who's like you, those people like you need to be in research, so that the research that's coming out and putting to us to be using these therapies, we need to make sure that it is safe and effective in all people. And so there are certain medications that are proven to not work so well in the Black population or other different subgroups, but we need those people in research. Go ahead. I saw Carrie, you research.
Yeah, that's, just, the other thing is, because so many of these diagnoses, there's a different incidence in different demographics. They affect different demographics differently. And I know last month there was a really great episode on diversity, equity, inclusion, and accessibility. And so there was a really great discussion on that diversity. Go back and listen to that one when you have a chance. But, taking something like sarcoidosis as an example, it affects African Americans at a much higher rate than Caucasians and any other race. And it affects African American women even more so. And yet, like Tiffany said, in so many studies, the people who participate are white. And, that's all fine and that's all fine and good, but it's not good enough. It's not reaching and matching the people who have the diseases.
Eileen, did you want to add anything else?
Yeah, so that's unfortunately a very common theme among a lot of studies. A lot of research only seems to target white women, 50s to 60s, but that's not necessarily the true representation of any condition. And unfortunately, getting men involved is particularly very difficult. And so that's why I think the more diverse patients that get involved, the research becomes, like Deb said, more robust.